Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw your SLC token, that's your Silencio, from the Silencio app to either your Bitget wallet or your KuCoin exchange. So once you open your Silencio app, I would recommend you check for updates on Google Play Store. If there's an update, I recommend you update before you proceed with this. If you are not seeing an update, you can uninstall the app and install again, so you start afresh. So while you're here, you select profile, and this is my profile. So from here you select wallets, which is at the top here. You select wallets. If you've claimed your token, it's going to appear here. So from here you can see the send button. Once you tap on this, all you need to do is paste your wallet address, either your address from KuCoin or from your Bitget wallet or any other EVM compatible wallet. So once you do that, you can withdraw, because I have withdrawn this and it shows done, successful. So before we get into that, if you want to use Bitget wallet, I would recommend you get this network settings on any of the wallets you want to use. So you need to create a custom network, and in these notes you have the network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and the block explorer. That's if you want to use a wallet that's a decentralized wallet. Let me open Bitget wallet to show you how you can do that. It's quite easy. So this is my wallet presently. If I want to add a new network on this, I'll select network from the top here, and I'm going to select add mainnet. I'll come to custom network. This custom network. Once you type the network you're looking for, Peaq, if it's not showing here, then you tap this add custom network, and this is going to bring you to this page. You put the RPC address, the network name, the chain ID, the token ticker, and the block explorer. Once you're done with all of that, you tap on confirm, and the network is going to appear here. Once the network appears, you can then copy your EVM address and withdraw your SLC to your Bitget wallet or any other wallet you wish to use. Now if you want to use KuCoin exchange, for example, let me open my KuCoin. So during the process I was testing this, I sent a tiny amount to my KuCoin exchange. I want to confirm if it's going to reflect before I send in bulk. So this is it. It actually appeared. I sent 9 SLC from the Silencio app and paid 1 SLC as the fee. So in this case, what you do is you select deposit, you select the network, which is Peaq, and then you copy the address. Once you copy the address, you can withdraw safely to your KuCoin exchange, and you can trade your SLC when you want to. So that's it. And if you have any question, you leave it for me in the comment section. I'm also going to drop the contract address for Silencio in the description of this video. So do well to check the description of this video for all the notes you will need. If I open this is the contract address here. So I'm going to drop this contract address in the description of this video. So once you've sent your token here and you are not seeing it, all you need to do is come to manage tokens and you paste the contract address here. It's going to appear. For example, let me show you this. I'll copy the contract address. I come to manage tokens. I paste the contracts. If it's not appearing, I will select add token manually and paste the contract address here. See. Then I select confirm. See, token added SLC. That's Silencio. You tap on OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video to the end. I will see you next time.